What do you always pair your peanut butter soup with or groundnut soup with? I pair it with anything I feel comfortable eating it with. And let's get into the video while I show you how I make my peanut butter soup. We are going to need peanut butter or groundnut paste, and we add some tomato paste. You can add fresh tomatoes, but in this video I'm adding tomato paste, and we go ahead to add some water. We are going to mix this till everything is smooth, and we transfer it onto the fire, and we continue mixing till we see it produce oil, which shows our peanut butter or our groundnut paste is well cooked, and we do not have to worry about having any running stomach. On to the next, we are going to add our beef to the pot. We add our seasoning, and do not forget, like always, all the ingredients will just be in the description. So you want to read the description for all the details you need to make this peanut butter soup or groundnut soup. Let's add some water, and then we cover this to simmer for a few minutes. We are going to add our tomato, pepper, and onions to this, and then we add some water to our groundnut paste, which we've already cooked or pre-cooked, and we are going to pour it into it. We are going to cover this and also bring it to a boil. Now let's go ahead and take our tomato, pepper, and onions from the soup, and we will go and blend this and later pour it back into the soup so it can cook together with the soup, because we want all the ingredients to just hit each other. Okay, we want everything to just incorporate well in the soup. Okay. Now let's pour it back in it, and then we move on to the next one, which is adding our Maggie cube. This can be optional. If you do not like Maggie cube in your soup, just leave this out, and we add our seasoned tilapia, which we kept in the fridge. Yes, you want to put the tilapia in your soup latter part, okay, when the soup is almost done so it doesn't break, and you'll be gentle when stirring. You do not have to stir it vigorously, just be gentle with it, and we stir once again and ensure that everything is just well cooked. You have to taste it to know everything is just to your taste. And let's serve this with some kokonte. Face the wall, and you can see the tilapia is still intact and it is well cooked. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you've watched to this very stage, and also click on the bell notification icon so you get notified when next I upload any video. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by once again, and you are always welcome. I would see you in the next video. Until then, please stay safe and enjoy my cooking tea with me. Bye.